Thank you. Wala nakadaon po, guys. Oh my God.
I'm so happy because you know, Sai, grabe, regular na to siyang Japanese. First, good siya dibalik after, you know, this pandemic. I'm so like overwhelmed by, na-overwhelmed siya when this one, it's already like, oh, this is still back. So, nag-order siya kanina. And then for giveaway, so this is a good example. This is the one example. Here. So, ipak, mukat, instead of paper or wrapper.
Oh, so that.
Yeah, and like that.
Yeah, as usual, artistic.
And then cacao stain fabric. So, instead of paper or wax paper, so we use the cacao stain fabric as a gift wrap this Christmas season. There you go. Yeah, so. And I believe that we'll receive, each one of you, I think you will receive. Yeah. So here, and you can also buy here, by grammage actually, like this one. So 1.5 per gram. So you can also mix and match like that, and it's ready for the Christmas.
Yeah.
So
how much is the set for that?
Depende sa grammage, like. Can you check how many adyo?
So by grams.
Yes.
250
grams.
300.
300. So 300, 1.5. So that's it. And then you will wrap the fabric.
Speaking of the fabric is a very nice story. You know that story, no?
And for the wine, I don't would you mind if you explain the wine?
Oh, yeah.
So this one also, we start also do the wine pairing. Like for the Prosecco, the pair of Prosecco is Alfajores. So Alfajores and Prosecco is good to pair. Cookies. You can also buy different kind of cookies. Put it in a box. This is our vanilla cookies, and then put it in a box and wrap it.
Christmas designer na cookies.
Cookies, yeah. Cookies. Right side, yeah. There you go. And the packaging is this one. Yeah. Sip, save, or share. Merry Christmas. The reason why we have supplies because of our fermented cacao beans. So later on, naaman ko yung demo na, you know, making the tablea, so that's why you can see a little like fruit flies because we use fermented cacao beans. First, aroma of chocolate. In your Spanish chocolate, you can garnish your cacao de bola or bola de cacao. So your room will fill with chocolate. And we have the chocolate bar, and the chocolate bar is from the tablea, but it's just sweetened with some sugar, and we added some condensed milk, and that's why it's so creamy and like rich. Yeah, this one's thicker. It's thicker than the usual sikwate. Make the Spanish at home.
Hi guys, I'm here again at my favorite chocolate place. Nakatawa ko, nakita nyo yung mas makeup. Pagkitang-tan ako kung mask, ha? Nag-mask ko earlier. Pero kay mukhaon mo ko sa akong attires. Hi Miss Raquel, our chocolate queen with Cebuano.com. I'm super excited to taste the Christmas to all. Amazing ka. Excited kay kumukhaon sa ensamada, guys. And this one, pwede naman i-istorya mo.
Oh, that's okay, Hannah. Sorry, Hannah. I want Hannah, the spiller of the beans, to explain that.
Kani malunggay. More siyang matcha, guys, but then I'll give the floor to Miss Hannah.
Yes, actually, it's very similar to matcha. The first time I tasted this, I thought it was matcha, but my mom surprised me.
But that's the surprising thing about malunggay and chocolate combined. So the alfajores is actually an Argentinian recipe, and when you open this, so when you open it, it's gonna look a little bit green because it has malunggay. But of course, we have the chocolate version of this. And is it okay if I crack it open? Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna crack it over there. Okay, there. So it cracks, and in the middle there's gonna be a vanilla cookie or a malunggay cookie, and then the chocolate ganache then coated with white chocolate or the dark chocolate for the alfajores chocolate flavor. This is the malunggay flavor. So it's white chocolate with malunggay.
Excited.
Take a try it.
Taste.
Ikaw, sir.
Later on after the Christmas tree, like we're going to.
It's not as what you expect na malunggay, di ba? Like when you drink malunggay, it's not like that. With malunggay. More the first. Aftertaste. For me, like personally, when I first bit into it, I thought more of matcha. It's earthy. Yeah, that's the term, earthy.
It's really good.
Thank you, Miss Hannah. Thank you. I hope you can visit the chocolate chamber soon. And when you're in here, you're able to smell chocolate, see chocolate in the through paintings, and also through our chocolate creations. Thank you, Miss Hannah. Ang katong original alfajores kay ganahan sad ko, but then this one is different. Kaya na siya aftertaste na malunggay, pero mura sa white chocolate lang, no?
Take her, nag-shake brown.
First bite, it's just a simple cookie, but once the aftertaste mo kick in na yung kan.
Kamalunggay.
Lahi na siya from the chocolate alfajores.
Grabe, dyan kayo naka-food critics. Grabe, technical.
Babaw, ubos, naman, kwarto.
Nananato ako, Marlene, huwag ko sa tayo. Pero need siya.
Ano kato, gi-estimate na nako yung bilaw mo.
Daghan kaayong salamat sa opportunity, yung oportunidad ngayong gihatag diri kanamo. Of course, FCCD and the Chocolate Chamber. I was quite emotional because this is the first time that, of course, witnessed by all of you, especially that this is also the very special day, the very first time that our co-op partner FCCD bringing their harvest from our rich land, of course, in Tuburan. So,
Farmers produces ready to lay egg chicken. Then we'll display the product also. Then since we concentrate on 4 commodities, the vegetables, the poultry meat, the hog, and the berry buffalo. That's our product.
FCCD, one of our slogan is that chocolates from the land to the brand to life. And that people behind wanted to remember that there's a people who toil the land, and that is our Filipino farmers. Daghang salamat o maayong Pasko kanatong tanan.
So hi guys, after tasting at sa chocolate chamber na meron diri sa pwede here. Okay, so we're here right now guys sa tree lighting sa Robinson's Galleria, and I'm super excited na nindot kay lambilan guys, amazing kayo. So ready na me for Christmas tree lighting. Hello? Modern secret sa magwapa na. Subscribe to my channel. Show pa lagi kayo
And without further ado, I'd like to call in our Senior Regional Operations Manager to let us know the reason why everybody is here today. I'd like to call Flora May Adolfo. Hello, main hapon ka natong tanan, no? Salamat kaayo sa taking time to come here and join us for this Christmas tree lighting ceremony here at Robinson's Galleria Cebu. As Joanna mentioned, it's been quite some time. We've gathered all together, and of course we've missed events, activities here in the mall because of the restrictions of this COVID-19 pandemic. But the reason really for this this afternoon celebration is it's really for Christmas and the Christmas tree lighting. Every year here in Robinson's Galleria, we have this gigantic Christmas tree. We put this all together. But what makes this year very special is that this 45 feet Christmas tree is made out of love, and there's a story behind it. But basically, as you notice, Nona, it's locally sourced. So we've engaged a local designer, a local team, and then the materials are all local. It also embodies some Cebu landmarks. If you noticed here, sa bottom of the tree, there's landmarks of Cebu. This is hand-painted. So that's how we support, and that's how we value local. So we have several activities actually here in Robinson's Galleria Cebu that's supporting local. So we've had a series in our actually it's been like 3 or 4 months, no? We've had a series of events, no, supporting local. So one of which is the locally sourced. No? So we've had farmers working here, and then displaying their products, same with mga co-ops. So here in Robinson's Gallery, and actually in Robinson's malls, there's really the thrust to support local. No? So despite all these things that's been happening, the pandemic, the challenges, I understand kita tanan ni go through challenges, and all the businesses, we remain supportive of SMEs. No, slowly the economy is reviving. It has been a challenge, but hope we will all still live through it, learn through it, and find joy and meaning of to Christmas. So there will be a series of events and activities here for the rest of the month of December. But then again, we'll like to invite you to come over and join us here. It's gonna be an awesome experience to bond and spend time with family and friends. So let's watch this.
At Robinson's Galleria Cebu,
Let us bring you warmth, positivity, and joy.
this season,
Joy with family and friends. Come life. Joys of Christmas begin here.
3, 2, 1.
So there's a raffle, guys. And
So may I please call on Gia?
congratulations! Thank you! Wala nakadaw po, guys! Oh my God! Thank you! Thank you for this.